In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw lines on Adobe Acrobat. We'll keep this simple and clear, so you can follow along even if you're new to Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Make sure you're using a current version so the interface looks familiar to what you see here. Once it's open, load the PDF you want to work on. You can double-click your file or use the Open button inside Acrobat. If the document is secured or view-only, just be aware that some markup features may be limited. With your document on screen, head to the Tool area. Depending on your layout, you'll find this either in the top toolbar or along the right side panel. Look for the tools dedicated to commenting and markup, since that's where the line options live. Opening this area reveals quick access controls for highlighting, underlining, and other annotations that help you call attention to important parts of your PDF. Next, locate the Underline option. It's typically represented by a U icon and sits alongside other text markup tools. Selecting Underline tells Acrobat that you want to place a line beneath text rather than draw a free-floating shape. This is perfect for emphasizing words, phrases, or entire sentences directly in the document without altering the original content. Before you add the line, choose the line color. You'll see a small color swatch or a properties option near the toolbar. Click it to pick a color that stands out against your page. Red or blue are common choices, but choose whatever fits your style guide. In the same properties area, you can usually adjust other visual settings like opacity so the underline appears exactly how you want. Setting the color first ensures your markup is consistent as you work through the document. Now make the line you want by applying the underline to the text. Click and drag across the words you want to emphasize, and Acrobat will place a clean line beneath the selection. If you change your mind, use Undo to revert, then try again until it looks right. Continue underlining anywhere you need emphasis, and keep an eye on readability. Use consistent spacing and color so your document stays clear and professional. When you're done, review your underlines to confirm they highlight the key points effectively. These underlines function as annotations, so they're easy to find, edit, or remove later. Finally, save your PDF so your changes are preserved and ready to share or print. And that's it. You've drawn lines in Acrobat using the Underline tool quickly and cleanly.